Hello everybody, this is the third in a series of videos about exploring Mars. In the first video, I tried to explain really why humans are so interested in Mars. What's so exciting about it? Why do we want to send missions there? In the second video, I looked at an upcoming mission at the end of July, the NASA Mars 2020 mission. And that mission will actually land a rover called Perseverance on the Mars surface. And I took a look at that rover, what its objectives were. In this third video, I will look at another aspect of the Mars 2020 mission. I'm going to be talking about the helicopter that will be used in conjunction with the rover, and that helicopter is called Ingenuity. So the Ingenuity helicopter is an experiment. It's really an experiment to see if we can fly on Mars. We've always been interested to see if it is possible to fly on Mars because it has very little atmosphere. So the main objective of the helicopter is to actually check that out. But also it has sensors and cameras on board that can actually look at the Mars surface. And one of the things it can do is identify places that the Perseverance rover could visit to actually explore and analyze. This slide shows a picture of the helicopter in the top left-hand side, and on the bottom right-hand side it shows how it's attached to the bottom of the rover. It's not a very big helicopter, and I'm going to show you a very short video on really how the helicopter will work on the Mars surface in conjunction with the rover. NASA has a fun little project that you can do at home whereby you can make your own paper Mars helicopter. You can use the link shown here, but you could just do a search for NASA and make a paper Mars helicopter. And that will take you to the appropriate place on the NASA website. Once you go to the website, you download a file, and that file contains a single sheet of paper that you can print out for the helicopter. You then follow the instructions to cut out the helicopter, and it explains different ways you can assemble the helicopter. By assembling the helicopter in different ways, you can make it do different things. For example, if you look at this slide, it shows the person has constructed the helicopter and drops it, and it spins in a clockwise direction. By bending the rotors in different directions, you can make it do different things, like, for example, spin in a counterclockwise direction. The objective is to really show you how JPL engineers design and build helicopters and teach you a little bit about the way helicopters work. I think you will find it a fun project. If you're feeling more adventurous and you know how to program in Scratch, there is another project on the JPL website that shows you how to code a Mars helicopter video game. So again, if you go to the JPL website that's used for the first project, the paper Mars helicopter, you will find a second project that teaches you how to code a Mars helicopter video game. Well, that's the end of our third video on exploring Mars. I hope you found it useful. As always, I'd like to thank NASA for providing me with the material that I can share with you. I'm looking forward to the launch at the end of July. You can watch it live on NASA TV, and I think it will be a fun launch to watch. So again, thank you for listening and thank you for watching.